Yes, guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, man, Gabidan Family TV. Bless up yourself, all my viewers, all my subscribers. Yeah, man, hope everybody alright and doing good. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself. Yeah, man, so guys, me actually have a video. Uh, me actually want to share with you based on, you know, you have to just be careful how you actually, or who you help out in life. Because sometimes you turn on and help some people and it's like, you know, it just turn back on you a certain way. It's like it just backfire. Basically make your answer still. But in the video still let me actually play it. I can get a bit of understanding what is really going on. Yeah, man. So this story is actually about a lady in the US. Have a good job and all of these things. Money are coming and all of these things, and things just actually really go bad for her. Yeah, man. It just really kind of sad. It's a sad story still, but we just kind of just go through it and kind of work, basically, based on the story. Yeah, man. Just bless up on yourself and just listen to the end. Yeah, man. And remember, please just give the video a like. You can also comment what you actually think about, the video as well. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself. So we'll go right tonight in the video. We'll not waste no more time. Yeah, man. Bless up.
That came on a work, have a little ambition, build up a little yard at Jamaica, buy two a little vaxi bus, I have about three, I row about pro box taxi them on the road. I run taxi.
Big business.
So you know that little money they come in weekly. So that add up monthly.
True.
And she oversees her work. Nice little work, I get nice pay. You catch me? Because anytime you go in a medical institution over there, so you make a piece of food, no joke. You catch me? Yes. So she decided to say, no, say things are going for me. And me no want my family fear to depend on me. So she help out three of her sister, daughter. Three of them, she help out. And them when they come, them come and them they over there and I make them money and them now if it depend on her again, then can help out their mother yard and them start to assist out some other little people the best way them can.
Yeah,
because that is the motive. Help one to that help the one that can help back on. I overs that.
Yeah.
But moms now have a brother, outside brother. She have an outside brother. And the brother was put into her that him have a daughter that similar that is stepping into the same field that she's in. And him want her to give her a strength. So mom say, alright, I'm a brother, but she did a if and but about it. Something did a if and but about it. Wonder if she feel help her or not because she not really know her like that. You catch me? She know her brother, but she not really know the daughter like that. And she did a if and but. But because her brother's sake, she said, me help him because me help a couple of them already and them start to build up themselves. Some even start build back house a yard and she feel good, she feel proud for know say she help them and them could have come help themselves. Now the girl get the opportunity to go over Cayman now. And her mother did something while she was leaving. Now who's to ever help you? What's to ever luck them have? What's to ever is going on for them will no longer be going on for them. It will be start happening for you. Did you hear me? Who's to ever help you? What's to ever is going on for them will no longer be going on for them. It will be going on for you. And as the girl land, about 2 months after, she did a feel a pain, but she did a ignore it and I said maybe I hold it for work. 2 months, for 3 months, she take sick, can't move. The rent where she pay so big. She can't go to work, so she lose her position. somebody else, because you know them place to go. You have to show up.
Yeah.
She lose her position. 6 months she lay down in a bed for. Doctor cannot tell what wrong with her. You get me? You rent a pile up and she say, you know what? You better me go home. You better me go home and in my house, me have to pay rent and me can't survive if I taxi them. And she decide she get a little bit better and she come a yard. And when she come a yard, she get better. What me say? When she come a yard, she get better. Now, the niece where she help up, dark here man right now. Bro, we don't make up nothing, man. I give as it is. The niece where she help, they are care man right now. So may I tell you, you can help somebody. And what's going on for you no longer go for you and start go for the person where you help. And spot. Imagine you help a person and it's him help. It's him thing where you use for help them. Them take that from you. Start to do it. Start to work. Things start to work for them. And nothing not work for you because you help people, bro. You help people. Out of kindness of your heart and them have them little foolishness in them head. Where them are come with. If you take away your light. Take away your light and harness it for themselves. And sometimes you don't know how to defend on yourself like that. For make what them do don't stick. For make what them try don't work. You don't know yourself like that, bro. Because number one, you don't like the fasting. The next thing, you don't know how to pray. The next thing, you don't know God. So then defeat you with these. Defeat you with dark magic. You catch me? Then defeat you with dark magic. With rituals. Now mom's that Jamaican, that yard right now as we speak. Me not call her name. You catch me? I'm not going to call her name. But she authorized this that I am telling you now. She authorized it. Her niece is now in Cayman, working, and she that yard, I live off I taxi them. So if she never buy them taxi there, if she never put them taxi up on the road, she don't have to wrestle with hog now to get food. I'm not telling you that you must not help people. I am not telling you that you must not assist. But while you're assisting, remember, whatsoever intent that this person have against me, while I am helping him or her, I am cancelling it before it can take root. Whatsoever intent that this person have, that I am about to help, that mean me harm, I am cancelling it before it can take root. Some people don't know them something. Them don't know say when you speak out of your mouth authority, them don't know say a power. Because most people don't learn about them power. Most people don't learn about what inside of them. Them teach them about what in a one book and what up in the sky. And that's not power. That's belief. You get me? But when you learn about your power, you know for yourself, you see it manifest. You set your intent and go a place and people want army and then turn fool. Don't know what to do. And they are wondering what type of magic you are work with because you know your God. You identify your God. You know where your God there. So girl that came on right now at work, I don't mind she get to see that video, yeah. And she going to see it, you know. Somebody going to send it to her. The wicked mama going to send it to her. You catch me? Yeah, man, the mama going to send it to her, man. And I want you to see it. I want you to get it. I'm not going to tell you what happened to you. Time I go do that. You catch me? But you have a thing where you call him conscience. You spend time clean heart people, help you out of cleanness of them heart, you can't prosper, bro. When clean heart people help you out of cleanness of their heart and your style them, you cannot prosper.
True.
No more prospering than they fear. When people assist you with good intention and you double cross them, may I tell you, man, your life in a misery. Remember that. When the farmer take your yam out of the ground and give and don't charge you, he sweat when he could have go sell it. But he want you to eat some food. And then you try to harm him in a room, you can't prosper. Remember me tell you that. You catch me? So, mom's that yard right now. I live off I car them what she did buy. And why she that yard? Because I person where she help her brother, daughter, and the daughter and the mother work up something fi swap out what go on for your woman. The man no know, the father no know about it. And the mother and the daughter do it. You catch me? So I just tell you now. Be mindful who you help.
Yeah, man. So come to a close on the video there. Yeah, man. Guys, so what he's actually saying is true, you know. Yeah, man. Sometimes when you help, you choose to help people. You have to help them with a conscience, you know. Because sometimes the same set of people them where you decide say you have to help in a life reach where they want to go. Because at the end of the day, you don't know that person's true intention. And it's sad to know, say, a young lady like that, you know, was in the state and she work and buy her taxi them and put on the road, which I did see one now, this on the story, she actually have to lean back and now, you know. What if she never did do all them little something then? What would have happened if she did not do these things? To tell you the honest truth still, you know, yeah, some persons them actually, when they reach where they want to go, then throw a stick, right? And when hard time reach them and then get deported or them come back a yard because they never invest and never try to help anybody. Yeah, man. Can be a sad story, you know? Yeah, man. So, the whole video actually just explain that it is good to help. It is good to help someone in need. But while doing so, you yourself have to have a conscience, right? Spiritually. That is what he's actually saying. Sometimes you have to say all our prayers, like you have to just ask the Father, say, boy, hey, me, I go help the person, yeah. I want the person, yeah, to get a bus. But at the same time, you have to think about yourself too. Because sometimes the same person you turn on and help, you know, is like that person help pull you down. Because at the end of the day, you take a chance to help somebody, not knowing that person's intent, and so it turn on to be a downfall for you. So it's like you swap. So it's like a swap. You are already in a good position, and that person is on a level. And when you finally assist that person to reach where they want to reach in a life, you know, based on the video, things go bad for you. So then at the DSA, mate, it's good for put the father first, you know. You have to help a person, something you have to do. It's like sometimes you have to do all that prayer. You know, just ask the father for this. Cover you because you have to make a decision and you want some strength. Yeah, man. So that is actually my, you know, reaction based on that video. Yeah, man. Sad to know that, you know, that person actually reached back home, you know, out of their job of choice where them actually make them money and them did send some come back a yard. So you can say, well, the person is at a high class, you know? Yeah, man. But anyway, guys, yeah, man. Hope you actually learned something, which I actually did. Yeah, man. So until the next video, yeah, man, just do the right thing, you know. Give the video a likes. Yeah, man. I actually realize that persons are actually watching the video, but You're not liking the video, you know. And the more likes, you know, the more the video will actually get views. Yeah, man. So remember, if you just like, comment, and share, tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah, man. Share the video, make we just have a good time and enjoy yourself, and we can learn something at the end of the day. See me. Yeah, man. So that's basically it, guys. Yeah, man. So just big up on yourself, do the right thing. If you know what anybody in a need, see me, you can help them, you help them. Yeah, man. That's how life goes still, but at the end of the day, see me, just do it with a conscience. Learn. Yeah, man. Listen and learn. Yeah, man. When I help somebody, it's good to have a conscience and know how to go about it. Yeah, man. But that's basically it still. Bless upon yourself. It was a good vibe. Yeah, man. One Gabby and Family TV, Yeah, man. I'm out. Until the next video. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. That's it.